New PS3 Slim for my kids today, and it looks like before I start using it I want to go ahead and upgrade the hard drive here. This is a 250, so that'll give them twice as much space, and it's a 7200 RPM, so it'll get a little bit better performance. I'm going to do it via thumb drive, but apparently you can do this via CD, DVD as well. The important thing is, so you plug that into your USB, it's going to pop up, it'll say removable disk. Hopefully you see that. Mine happens to be F. I created a folder called PS3, and then within that there's another folder called Update. That's what the PS3 is going to look for, so that's the way you got to do it. So I went to this website here. This is Chrome, and it is, I'll read it to you, us.playstation.com/support/system-updates/PC_update/index.htm. You'll go there. This right here in the middle of the page talks about the directory structure, and then right underneath it you'll see a little bar that says download now. When you download that, in Chrome at least, you'll see progress going here. Took me about 4 minutes. Then you will, for me at least, I'm going to click it. Well, I should have right-clicked, sorry. Right-click it, choose Show in Folder, and I choked. That's nice. But I know where it goes, so anyway, I'm going to go to my downloads directory. When I go to my downloads directory, here it is. I just did a search on star.pup, because that's the name of the file. I'm going to right-click it and choose Copy. Then I'm going to go to my thumb drive, and I'm going to drop it in the Update folder. Right-click, choose Paste. We'll copy that over. You can see the activity on the thumb drive, and then I'll go about taking the hard drive out of the PS3 Slim over there. Can't see it, there you go. And putting that in the tray. Then I'm going to boot to it and use, I guess you have to press Start and Select at the same time when you boot, and it'll see the thumb drive and go from there. But I'm going to step through it the whole way. I'm sure you'll know this already, but here's the little door where the screw for the hard drive is, so you need to open this. I'm going to use this flathead. You could use a butter knife as well, and underneath it's a blue screw, and you'll just want to make sure you get the right Phillips tip for it, because you don't want to strip it. So make sure you get the right head. That's why I got all my heads over here, so I can make sure to use the right one. It's like the easiest way to take this cover off where the hard drive goes right here is to pry here on the end, which is right here. I kind of did it right here underneath the screw because I didn't know, but it didn't break, so just do it gently. Again, I used the flathead tip, and then I'm going to use that to pry the handle up. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking dark. Okay, so I used it to pry that up. That'll slide out. I'm going to hold on to the PS3 because I don't want it to fall over. Haven't even had a chance to use it yet. The OEM drive, it's a Toshiba. I heard there's supposed to be 5400 RPM. I'm going to put a 7200 in it. But it's a SATA connection. And I guess you can have up to 9mm. I just happen to have a spare 250. So I'm going to double the space for now with no cost. Remove these 4 screws. I guess I should have said that. And that's the bottom of the hard drive. And you're going to mount the replacement in the same orientation. You pull the 4 screws, just thought I mentioned, because most trays that I've used in laptops don't do this, but you pull it out from this side, and then or lift it on this side, and then you can get it out. Put my drive back in, or the new one, and it goes in with the, in this case, the blue facing up or down towards me, I guess. Push it in, put the screw back in. It's this little blue screw. Like I said, make sure you get the right size, because I know on the fat PS3 that thing would strip easy as crap. So this thing, I just figured it out when I go to put it back on. Don't pry it off. You slide it. When you take it off, you slide it this way, and then it'll come off. So putting it back on, don't know if I can do this one-handed. I'm going to put it on like that, and then line it up, and then just slide it and click it. It's not all the way over, but close. But you get the idea. I've booted it, and the TV told me, or the screen told me to connect the PS3 controller with a USB cable. So I've done that, and now it's got this error message, which I expected. So now I need to do what it says. It says connect the storage media that contains update data of the version 4.6 or later, and then press the start and select buttons at the same time. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to insert this in the one remaining slot on the front, and I'm going to press start and select at the same time. So I'll try to do it like this, and we'll see what happens. That's what the screen says. Checking, please wait. Kid's room is a disaster, so apologize for the mess. And it's reading the thumb drive, so I know it's doing something. Okay, here's the next message. It says system partition of the system storage will be formatted. So I guess I got to press the start and select buttons at the same time again for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it sensed it, and it's going to do it. It's reading my thumb drive again, and it's supposed to come up with a progress bar, I believe. Or maybe it'll ask me if I want to format with one more "Are you really sure?" message. Didn't ask, it just started. And there goes the progress. It went to 100% and it restarted, and now it's telling me to press the PS button on the wireless controller. Now it says checking for update data, and it should be up to date because that was the last firmware. I think that's where we should expect it to be, right there. Accept the agreement. Oh sweet, now I got closed captions. And it's doing a system update. Sweet. And I might as well mention that before I started, I hooked up the Ethernet cable just to make it simple. Didn't have to worry about the wireless or anything else. Came up with this: connect the controller using a USB cable and press the PS button. Then, this is the regular setup, I guess. English. Yes. I love this TV. It's 1080p. Perfect for the kids. I was going the wrong way. There we go, mountain time. Alright, I think that's it. Everything you needed to know. Hard drive updated. Just needed to go through the setup, add the first user, and here I am. It's done. Not bad.